let's take a look at the Atlas GP38 high nose, and let's give it a listen. You can barely, oops, we're on it. I'm gonna switch again. There. Yep, the silicone shafts definitely cut down the noise. Now this thing is the one that has a bunch of little gears in it, so it's got really low speed. This would be excellent for yard switching. And this one's got some traction. Wait, one of these guys have traction tires. No, not this one. That will be the GP40. Let's zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you can see, but barely. You can sort of see the blue ground effects on this. Well, when we hook up the decoder, you'll be able to see better. Let's have a look under the hood. There we go. Okay, we got the Rev 1 motor in there. Let's find my pointer here. Pointer. Okay, so there's the setup. Silicone shafts all the way across. We've got our work platform. I colored it in purple so that you'll be able to see it easier. There's our PC board where we're going to attach the wires from our decoder, which will go right here. You have a disconnect, and that's going to go to the lights. You have another disconnect on a bridge rectifier, that will go to the cab light. Not sure what else. Since we got a disconnect there, we can for sure put a few things on it. Bridge rectifier, our 1K resistor. The truck lights are under that PC board, and so we get power from this yellow one. Goes across, down, there, in one side, out the other side, over to the other side, in, out, back, resistor, back onto the pad. And then we're going to put some capacitors right here. And then this one, we're going to do some fiber optics, and that'll be it. And it's starting to look pretty good. I think we got it. Sounds good too. Shelves coming along nicely. Starting to look pretty decent. That layering thing did turn out. It did work. So, looking pretty good here. All right. Now let's see if we can set up the GP40.